When you get a 20-year-old car, things are going to break. Hi, it's David. If you're looking for sports car reviews, how-tos, and ramblings while driving a Porsche, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you won't miss a thing. The Porsche 986 Boxster is very affordable on the used market right now, but in a 20-year-old car, small things will break. Just over time, they'll break. So whether you're interested in a 986 or a 996, stay tuned to see what will go wrong and find some at least temporary fixes for now, and then we'll have more permanent fixes for some of these in future videos. So here are 3 things that will break on a 986 Porsche Boxster. Here's reason number 1, the ventilation foam. Inside the air ducts, there is foam, and as these cars break down, that glue breaks down over time, and this stuff will start flying at your face. Fixing this issue isn't too bad. You just take some pliers and you pull out foam. And here's reason number 2. The horn starts beeping when you hit the brakes. What happens is inside the horn there are some bushings. These bushings over time break down and it starts making you look like a jerk because every time you hit the brakes, your horn starts beeping. To fix this, you really do have to undo the battery, take off the horn, and put new bushings on or get a replacement of this entire metal with bushing, but there's a way to do that. I'll have a video on that soon, but here's a temporary fix just so you don't look like a jerk. If you have a business card in your wallet, you can bend it, fold it like so, and place it between the horn. What this does is this provides enough padding so it's holding the horn from actually pushing up against it, because that's all that it does. This will at least let you get home so you're not looking like a jerk, and then later you can go and fix it. And here's reason number 3. The wheel lock key will break on you. To fix this problem, you can either get a new wheel lock key, and there's a bit of hassle of doing that because you have to get the right one for your car, or what you can do is order just some regular old lug nuts. Then you take a socket that you don't mind getting rid of. This one's an 18mm socket. And what you do is you just basically bang it with a hammer a bunch of times, very hard. And eventually it works its way onto it and you can use the socket to take it off. Problem with that is once it's on here, it's stuck and you're gonna have to get another socket. So there you have it. Those are some of the small things that will go wrong in your 20-year-old Porsche 986 or 996. Overall, it's a well-built car, but as with anything that's 20 years old, things break down and they will have to get fixed and replaced. But if you keep up on it, ownership of a Porsche 986 Boxster or a 996 911 can be a very pleasurable experience. However, if you don't keep up on maintenance, it can be the worst thing you ever did in your life. So thanks for watching, and now get down in the comments and let us know if any of these things have happened to your Porsche 986 or 996. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. With every new subscription, a donation will be made in your name to the Buy a Middle-Aged Man a 911 Fund. His name's David, and that car will be in my garage. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Normally I would talk about how the thumbs down button isn't working, but I think they might have fixed it, so don't press it. I know 2 people have already done it in my last video, and I'm not too happy about that. And also, if you did like this video, make sure to share it with your friends on social media. Sharing will help us increase our exposure and let other people know about the channel. And thank you so much to all of our regular viewers and subscribers. You really do make this possible and this fun. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. So thanks for watching, and make sure to get down in the comments and let us